Welcome back, my friends. The news today is that with Apple entering the fight, the AI chip wars have gone nuclear. Apple plans to use M2 Ultra chips in the cloud for AI. The company reportedly plans to divert complex AI queries to servers and keep simple tasks on device. But before we get into all of that, I would like to thank everyone who views my videos. If you would like to support the channel, please see the link to buy me a coffee in the video description below. And please hit the like button and leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. The artificial intelligence, AI chip wars, have officially kicked into high gear. On Tuesday, Apple AAPL unveiled its latest iPad Pro lineup, complete with the company's all-new M4 chip. The processor, Apple says, features a 50% faster CPU than the prior generation Pro's M2 chip, as well as a GPU with 4 times the performance of its predecessor. But Apple focused most on the M4's Neural Engine, the portion of the chip dedicated to running AI applications. According to the company, the Neural Engine in the M4 is the company's fastest yet, and it's more powerful than any neural processing unit available on today's AI PCs. That might all seem like Apple puffing out its chest at the competition, and it is to a degree. But it also shows we're entering a new era of PC marketing focused on the promise of generative AI applications running directly on our machines, rather than in the cloud. Apple plans to start its foray into generative AI by offloading complex queries to M2 Ultra chips running in data centers, before moving to its more advanced M4 chips. Bloomberg reports that Apple plans to put its M2 Ultra on cloud servers to run more complex AI queries, while simple tasks are processed on devices. The Wall Street Journal previously reported that Apple wanted to make custom chips to bring to data centers to ensure security and privacy in a project the publication says is called Project ACDC, or Apple Chips in Data Center. But the company now believes its existing processors already have sufficient security and privacy components. The chips will be deployed to Apple's data centers and eventually to servers run by third parties. Apple runs its own servers across the United States and has been working on a new center in Waukee, Iowa, which it first announced in 2017. Microsoft, MSFT, is already pushing the category of AI PCs along with Intel, INTC, AMD, Qualcomm, QCOM, and NVIDIA, NVDA. And with Apple entering the fray, the battle over which company is the new AI champ has officially begun. The AI PC, or in the case of Apple AI iPad or AI Mac, is meant to be able to run smaller versions of the kinds of large language models that power apps like ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Google's Gemini. In fact, Google already runs a version of its Gemini model called Gemini Nano on its Pixel smartphones. AI PCs are generally PCs that include neural processing units, NPUs, or in Apple's case, a neural engine. These are essentially portions of a chip dedicated to powering AI applications. Intel's Core Ultra chips, which it debuted in December, feature their own NPUs, while AMD has been showing off chips with its XDNA AI engine since May 2023. Qualcomm, for its part, has also joined the fight with its Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite and X Plus chips. All of these chips should end up in Windows PCs on store shelves by the end of the year. Microsoft is already banking on AI PCs being a runaway success, going so far as to introduce a Windows keyboard button dedicated to its AI-powered Copilot software. It's the first new keyboard button in nearly 30 years. Apple, on the other hand, has been building its neural engine into its chips since it launched its A11 processor in the iPhone X in 2017. The company has regularly touted its neural engine's capabilities throughout the years, but the debut of the M4 chip marked the first time Apple started throwing out key performance metrics. While Apple has not moved as fast on generative AI as competitors like Google, Meta, and Microsoft, the company has been putting out research on the technology. In December, Apple's machine learning research team released MLX, a machine learning framework that can make AI models run efficiently on Apple Silicon. The company has also been releasing other research around AI models that hint at what AI could look like on its devices, and how existing products like Siri may get an upgrade. Apple put a big emphasis on AI performance in its announcement of the new M4 chip, saying its new neural engine is an outrageously powerful chip for AI. But can Apple really compete in artificial intelligence? Certainly. Apple has made significant strides in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, and is well positioned to compete. Here are some reasons why. 1. Custom hardware. Apple designs its own custom chips, including the Neural Engine, which is specifically optimized for AI tasks. 1. By controlling both hardware and software, Apple can fine-tune its devices for AI workloads, resulting in better performance and efficiency. 2. Core ML Framework. Apple's Core ML framework allows developers to integrate machine learning models directly into their apps. 2. This framework simplifies the deployment of AI models on iOS and macOS devices, making it easier for developers to create AI-powered applications. 3. Privacy focus. Apple places a strong emphasis on user privacy. 3. Unlike some competitors, Apple processes AI tasks directly on the device rather than sending data to the cloud. 3. This approach ensures that sensitive user information remains private. 4. Siri and Natural Language Processing, NLP. Although Siri initially faced criticism, Apple continues to invest in improving its virtual assistant. 4. Siri now benefits from advancements in NLP, allowing it to understand context and provide more accurate responses. 5. Computer vision and AR. Apple's devices excel in computer vision tasks, such as image recognition and augmented reality, AR. 5. The A-series chips combined with R-Kit enable impressive AR experiences on iPhones and iPads. 6. Health and fitness. Apple's focus on health and fitness has led to innovations like the Apple Watch's health monitoring capabilities. 6. AI plays a crucial role in analyzing health data and providing personalized insights to users. 7. Research and acquisitions. Apple has acquired several AI-focused companies, including Turi, Xnord AI, and Voices. 7. These acquisitions demonstrate Apple's commitment to advancing AI technologies. However, it's essential to acknowledge that Apple faces stiff competition from other tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. These companies have extensive AI research, cloud infrastructure, and vast datasets. Apple's challenge lies in balancing its privacy-centric approach with the need for large-scale data to train AI models effectively. While Apple may not dominate the AI landscape, it continues to innovate and compete by leveraging its ecosystem, custom hardware, and privacy-conscious approach. But what do you think? Please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. And before we end, a word from the sponsor of this video. Today's sponsor is ProWorldNet.com. ProWorldNet.com is a job website specifically dedicated to licensed professions. Doctors, including any type of specialty. Nurses, and that includes all grades of nurses. Lawyers, regardless of area of legal focus. Teachers and professors, from kindergarten through graduate school, as well as any kind of job that requires a government license or certification. And ProWorldNet.com also includes short-term gig-type jobs as well. So be sure to check out ProWorldNet.com if you are looking for a job or an employee. Thank you for watching.